All right. So next up, Rafe asks, PPC's costing me too much. Oh, this is the same person. It's costing me too much and getting me only a few sales, even after optimizing ACoS is more than 100%. If I negate keywords that have sales and 100 plus ACoS, I can't find more keywords.
Yes. This is due to two different factors, and it might be two at the same time. So if you cannot bring down your ACoS, it is either due to low conversion rates or high cost per clicks in your space. I did this whole thing a little while ago. I had this like epiphany of how conversion rate factors into ACoS performance. I actually did, I think, a video on our YouTube on that. It's basically you can calculate your ACoS by taking your cost per click multiplied by 1 divided by your conversion rate times your average order value, which is slightly different than your sale price, but if you just want to be lazy, you can throw in sale price. So if your conversion rate is low or your cost per click is high, then your ACoS numbers are just going to work out the way they are. It's a math equation, honestly. So the question you want to figure out for yourself is it due to my low conversion rate or is just my space? So sometimes your conversion rate is good, but your space is just so competitive. Like you could have a 15% conversion rate, but if your cost per clicks are like above $5, then the math is just going to work out to be a lot higher regardless of what the conversion rate is. So I would say you're saying if you negate keywords that got sales over 100 ACoS, you can't find more keywords. Before I negate stuff, I would do bid optimization.
Yeah, just
lower the bids. And the thing that you probably are struggling with, my guess, is that as you lower the bids, you get next to no visibility. Granted, that is a very difficult spot to be in and to navigate. I would say at this point, if what you're doing, you said it's costing you too much, you can't sustain it. If all you can afford is running on 3 keywords, because that's what your budget is, and you can only find keywords that can give you good performance, providing you can influence rank, meaning increase rank on those keywords, I would do that. So if you're just struggling and you're like, I only got these 2 or these 3, go with that. If you can find anything that's working, run with it, maybe narrow down what you're doing. And then I would definitely say my guess is it's probably conversion rate. I would definitely look into that.